Dill and Bizzy, an odd duck and a strange bird. Dill was a duck, an ordinary duck. At least that's what he thought. Bizzy was a bird, a strange bird. She swooped in with a splash. "I am a strange bird," cried Bizzy. "I can see that," said Dill. "Are you an odd duck?" asked Bizzy. "No," said Dill. I am an ordinary duck." "Not at all." "How sad," said Bizzy. "An odd duck and a strange bird could be friends." "I am an odd duck." "I am not an odd duck," said Dill. He didn't need to be friends with a strange bird. At least that's what he thought. "I wish you were an odd duck," said Bizzy. "An odd duck would come along with me for a bicycle ride." "I am not an odd duck," said Dill. "But I'll take my unicycle," Bizzy shouted. "No wings." Dill shouted, "No wings, no feet." "I wish you were an odd duck," said Bizzy. "An odd duck would have lunch with me at the pretzel stand." "I am not an odd duck," said Dill. "I always have lunch with a hot dog man." "What a fabulous fellow," said Bizzy. "He doesn't seem to like you," said Dill. Bizzy had a bun with all the fixings. Dill had the same with extra pickles. "I wish you were an odd duck," said Bizzy. "An odd duck would fly some loop-the-loops with me." "I am not an odd duck," said Dill. "I just fly a little to the left." Bizzy looped and Dill swooped. Then Bizzy swooped and Dill looped. "I'm getting dizzy," said Dill, "and my fountain needs tidying." "Oh, let me help you," said Bizzy. "I make an excellent duster." "That's better," said Dill. "Now all it needs is some color." Dill and Bizzy admired their work. "Not bad for a strange bird and an ordinary duck." "Are you sure you aren't an odd duck?" asked Bizzy. "Of course I'm sure," said Dill. "I'm perfectly ordinary." Yoodly, yoodly, hee-hoo. An odd duck could yell with me. Yodel with me, said Bizzy. "You'll have to settle for my ordinary quack," said Dill. "Quack, quack, 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 quack." An odd duck could join my strange bird boogie. "I'll just do my ordinary duck dance." An odd duck could balance these bagels on its bill. "I prefer to juggle these ordinary peanuts. Upside down. Take a bow, ordinary duck," said Bizzy. "They must be cheering for you, strange bird," said Dill. "They think you're sensational." Now Bizzy was strange. Was a strange, hot and tired bird. She swooped down with a splash. I'm glad you don't have to be an odd duck too. Take a dip with me, she said. Now Dill was an ordinary, hot and tired duck. At least that's what he still thought. I'm afraid I cannot swim, he said. Would you like a floaty? Bizzy sighed. How I wish you were an odd duck. An odd duck and a strange bird could be the best friends. Dill thought about the unicycle, his tasty lunch, and the loop-the-loops. He looked at his beautiful fountain. Maybe I could learn to be a tiny bit of an odd duck, said Dill. At last, because it might be nice to be best of friends with a strange bird and a sensational bird like you. And I think I could try to be best friends with an ordinary duck, said Bizzy, a perfectly extraordinary duck like you. The end.